How to change username of account in Windows 11? For that, let's go ahead on Windows and see what our username is actually right now. Let's click on it and go to the change account settings. And as you can see that it has been saved to my account. If you want to change it, you need to search for the control panel. Open the control panel after locating, and on the section you need to choose the user's account. Here you need to click on change your account name, and you need to set a new account name. So this name will appear on the welcome screen and on the start screen. So you need to select a new account name. Let's select your Lenovo right now and click on change name. So it has already been changed to Lenovo. So that is how you usually change username of account in Windows 11. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.